In this video of Virgin Review, I am going to review Holy Stone Night Elven Mini RC Quadcopter Drone. If you want to know more, check the Amazon link on video description. Okay. The drone comes with altitude hold function. Powerful air pressure altitude hold function allows you to release the throttle stick, and the drone will keep hovering at the current height. It's one of the good training drone for beginners. This drone adopts 2.4G 6-axis gyrotech. There will be less interference, more stability, and easy maneuverability. The headless mode function will orient your drone according to your controller, making flying and control easier. No worry being confused with the drone's direction when it flies far away, 3D flips or rolls. Be boring with normal flying method? The copter with small but flexible body can flip towards any direction you want, such as front, back, left and right by clicking the button. Streamlined body can reduce the wind resistance. 4 gorgeous LED light make it easier to keep track of the drone at night. Left and right control modes. 3 speed modes suitable for many flyers. It's one of the best affordable drone for you. You can buy it. If you want to know price, check the Amazon link on video description. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned with us by subscribing.